New year, new resolution. Are we ready to take accountability this year? Are we? Happy New Year, everyone. We made it into New Year alive and healthy. And for that, we give thanks to God for His mercy, love, and grace. Last year wasn't easy for some of us, right? But through ups and downs, we survived. Okay, guys, we survived. We made it into this new year. And that alone worth celebrating. Yes, it was celebrating because, like, from January to December, because not all of us were able to make it into this 2026, but God kept us alive, that we went all the ups and downs and we are able to be here. Is a very grateful thing, and this is for, like, the celebration is what worthy. Okay, guys, yes, it is. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your babe, Asanwa Igboanugo. So, guys, I want to use this moment to say huge thank you to everyone who has supported me through this journey all these years. Your love, your encouragement, your consistency means more than words can express, guys. Thank you so much. I truly hope that my channel has made positive impact in your life in one way or the other. As we step into this 2026, I believe this year is a great year for every one of us, but we need to take accountability of whatever we have choose to do. And we have to be intentional as well. Hope alone is not enough. We need action and accountability. January is a perfect time to reflect on your past years, what worked and what didn't, and what needs to change so we can move stronger and wiser. It's not too late to start all over again, whether it's going back to school, learning new skills, or taking a course that align with your goals. Okay? And remember, knowledge is power, so you don't mess about. Okay? Write your plans down, use a notebook, a vision board, or your phone, whatever works for you. Okay? Writing your goals down makes it easy to track your progress and to take accountability in whatever you are doing. In this video, I'm going to break down the SMART goals framework to help you set realistic and achievable goals. And these SMART goals is what I'll be using to track my progress as well. SMART: S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A achievable, R relevant, and T time bound. I'm going to explain the practical steps to set the SMART goals. Creating a clear vision of your future, prioritizing what truly matters, make your goals measurable and realistic. Setting times always helps. Staying accountability are consistent as well. This is all about growth, clarity, discipline, and action. Okay, so we are going to be like boom, 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 like, yeah, be on top of our list. Whatever we have set for ourselves, we must achieve it. Then, whenever we achieve each one, we go to our vision board, maybe on your phone, wherever you write your goals down, you tick it. And remember, time is important. So don't be distracted, okay, guys? Let's not make resolution, but build a system that helps us to achieve those resolutions. In that way, we can move closer to our goals. So let's make this 2026 impactful, intentional together. Together we can achieve our goals. Together we stand, isn't it? So together we can achieve our goals. So you can tag your friend and anybody that knows, like, has good intention of you, so you guys can keep accountability of each other. By then, you guys can motivate each other. Like, with that motivation, you are able to achieve your goals, because sometimes we set these goals to ourselves, but one way or the other we get distracted, we move our attention. But if you have someone who keeps check of us, then check you check them, in that way you can achieve your goals. In that way you can be accountability, and in that way all your plans will come on together. So if you have anyone that can help you achieve your goals, tag that person, okay? Tag that person. And don't be angry, don't be annoyed when that person is pestering you, telling you, you need to do this, you need to do that. Don't feel like that person is being bossy. That is another way, yes, because you being comfortable where you are now is comfortable, right? But being comfortable will not get you what you want. You have to stretch yourself. You have to you have to get out from your comfort zone. Like me, I'm going to stretch myself this year. Yeah, I'm not a morning person, to be honest. I'm not a morning person. My days always start like afternoon from 12:01. That is when my day starts. So but this year I said that I'm going to take accountability. If I, like, normally when I take my daughter to school, then if I'm not working, I'll come back, I'll lie down on the bed. I'll sleep till 3 o'clock, like when to pick her up. Before you know it, the day has gone by. Or I'll say, oh, I wanted to do this, I wanted to do that. At the end, I don't do every other thing. Unless if I'm going to work, I know, like from work, from school runs, I go to work. But this year, I said I'm going to, like, get out of that comfort zone, do whatever that is necessary, that's supposed to be done. So I'm like taking this year serious, being accountability and having a checklist, like, oh girl, I've done this and done that, then I'll reward myself if I'm being good girl. So I'm going to reward myself. But if I'm not good, I'm not going to reward myself, to be honest. So that is another way to put me in check. Like, if you get this, like, I'm going to be a baby this time to reward myself, whatever things I did well. So, yeah. So this year, I will be diversifying my content a lot more. I'll be sharing more styling videos, shopping my own wardrobe, and showing how to wear what we have already have in our wardrobes. You can also expect more of everyday makeup look. Yes, simple hairstyles, mhm, and realistic beauty routine that fit into real lifestyles. I want this space to be inspiring and also practical. Fashion and beauty that you can actually recreate without pressure. I will still be buying new pieces, but this year I will be more intentional. Only what I truly need and what fits in my lifestyle and wardrobe. It's all about being mindful, choosing quality over quantity, and making better use of what I have already have. I'm really excited on what is coming up this year. I am, and I know with God, all things are possible. Stay tuned, and thank you so much for continuing this journey with me. And God, in His infinite mercy, will grant us all our heart desires and grant us all our goals. Okay, guys? Yeah, I believe. Thank you all for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification so that you'll be notified whenever I post any fashion tips, any hairstyle, any makeup, everything I mentioned in this video. And share to your friends, and remember to have a clear vision on what your goals is going to be this 2026, and make it clear and bold, guys. Let's make this 2026 intentional and impactful. See you on my next video. It's your babe, Asanwa Igboanugo. Bye, guys. Love you. Mwah. So guys, don't forget to check out my other videos, because I have other interesting videos that you will love. Okay, so guys, look at this beautiful blazer that I'm wearing today. I got it from Style Week. If you have not seen the video, I'm going to link it up here, and I'm going to link it in the info section as well. So look at that, it's just black and white. So I'm wearing all black and white today. So look at how beautiful it is. It's a long blazer, and it has a double-breasted buttons on it, and I got 20% discount for you guys. So don't forget to check out the video so you get your own 20% discount to look stylish this new year. Okay, guys? Catch you guys later. Bye, guys.